Hi guys! Threads has launched a monetization program for US accounts called Threads Bonus Program. So, how can you make money on this platform? Let's explore in the video below with Hidemyacc. Threads Bonus is a rewards program by Threads designed to encourage users to actively participate and create content on the platform. Similar to TikTok beta or Twitter's monetization program, participants will be rewarded with money corresponding to the quality content they produce. The amount you earn from the Threads bonus program depends on several factors, such as the number of followers, posts, and engagement. Rewards can range from a few hundred to several thousand USD per month for high-performing accounts. According to Threads' official announcement, users can earn up to $5,000 and withdraw a minimum of $75. Currently, the program is only available in the US. This is an excellent opportunity for those managing US Instagram accounts to participate. The program is still new, so you should take advantage of the timing and resources to create accounts and meet the program's requirements. First, the program is currently only available for US Threads accounts that receive an invitation. This program invites influencers or accounts with high engagement. However, Meta may expand the eligibility criteria in the future. If you already have a US Instagram account, simply link it to Threads. If you don't, you can either purchase one or create it yourself using Hidemyacc profiles and a US residential proxy. Hidemyacc is an Antidetect browser that helps you create independent browser profiles. Each Hidemyacc profile allows you to log in to a separate Instagram account. This method prevents websites from detecting that you're managing multiple Instagram accounts simultaneously. While Antidetect browsers help with device parameter spoofing, you'll also need a proxy to switch your IP to the US. You should use residential IPv4 proxies. Make sure each account is linked to a unique proxy. After creating your Instagram account, to join Threads, simply click on the Threads icon, and you're set. The Threads account will link directly to your US Instagram account. Next, your Instagram account must have at least 1,000 followers and be set to professional mode. For new accounts, don't immediately boost followers. Instead, grow the account naturally over time to strengthen its credibility. When participating in monetization programs like this, prioritize organic growth methods, as gradual follower increases build trustworthiness. Lastly, your account must receive an invitation from Meta to participate. Currently, Meta prioritizes accounts with good engagement, but if you meet the above conditions, regularly check for notifications in the app and the email registered with your account. Hidemyacc has just introduced the 3 main requirements for joining the Threads bonus program. So, how can you make money with this program? The amount you earn depends on the quantity and quality of the content you post on the platform. Therefore, you must create high-quality content that is original, free of copyright issues, and compliant with Instagram's community standards. Content must be posted directly from the Threads app or Threads web and written in English. Since the program is currently only available in the US, content in other languages won't qualify. Additionally, posts shared from Instagram to Threads won't count. Each post must receive at least 2,500 views. The more high-quality posts and interactions you have, the more money you can earn. You can consider the following content ideas: personal opinions, share your thoughts on trending topics. Stories, post humorous or touching stories from your life. Reviews, provide reviews of products or services you've experienced. Open questions, ask questions to encourage discussion. The more people interact with your post by commenting, the more viral it becomes, so focus on creating content that invites user responses. Currently, Threads Bonus is not yet widely available or implemented in many countries. However, the platform's potential is vast, and you can still explore other monetization methods, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling products. A brand new Threads account can still go viral with its first few posts. Traffic from these posts is substantial, and you can leverage this free traffic for affiliate marketing or promoting your products. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please contact the Hidemyacc support team through live chat for quick assistance. Wish you all success.